Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to be the workhorse of your kitchen, the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-Quart Stockpot. If you're looking for a pot that can handle everything from delicate simmering to serious deep frying, and do it all with remarkable ease of use and durability, then you're in the right place. Let's see if this HexClad lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, HexClad is known for its unique hybrid technology, and this stockpot is no exception. It features a laser-etched hexagonal pattern on the surface. This isn't just for looks. This intricate design combines stainless steel with a TerraBond ceramic coating. The stainless steel is designed to give you that satisfying sear on your food, delivering those beautiful brown bits that add so much flavor. Simultaneously, the ceramic coating provides a non-stick surface, making for incredibly easy food release and, crucially, effortless cleaning. It's that duality, that hybrid approach, that truly sets HexClad apart and something we'll be looking closely at in our testing. Now, let's talk about capacity and versatility. 10 quarts is a substantial size, making this pot ideal for a wide range of culinary endeavors. The marketing materials suggest it's ready for anything, and they aren't exaggerating much. Think about simmering large batches of chili, perfect for a family gathering or meal prep. It's also designed for steaming, so if you love crabs or lobsters, this pot has the volume to handle them. Beyond that, canning and preserving are on the table, and even deep frying becomes a more manageable task with this kind of capacity. It truly aims to be a one-pot solution for many kitchen tasks. Construction is another key area for any high-quality cookware, and the HexClad stockpot boasts tri-ply construction. This means it has 3 layers of metal. At its core is an aluminum layer, sandwiched between stainless steel. This design is engineered for superior heat distribution, meaning you get quicker, more even heating across the entire bottom and up the sides of the pot. No more hot spots that scorch your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. This even heating is critical for consistent results, especially when you're dealing with delicate sauces or long simmers. The HexClad is also incredibly versatile in terms of cooktop compatibility. It's induction ready, which is a must for many modern kitchens, but it's also safe to use on any other home cooktop or stovetop, including gas and electric. This broad compatibility means you don't have to worry about whether it will work with your existing setup. Furthermore, it's built to withstand the rigors of everyday cooking. It's metal utensil-safe, meaning you can use your spatulas and spoons without fear of scratching the surface. And when cleanup time comes, it's dishwasher-friendly, a huge convenience. For those who like to finish dishes in the oven or do some stovetop-to-oven cooking, this pot is oven-safe up to a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's important to note the tempered glass lid included in this purchase is only oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a stainless steel lid, that one can go up to the full 900 degrees. Durability and warranty are also significant selling points. HexClad offers a lifetime warranty on their products when sold by HexClad Cookware, covering manufacturer's defects. This speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and longevity of their cookware. While commercial and restaurant use are excluded, for the home cook, this warranty provides a great deal of peace of mind, indicating that this pot is built to last for years, if not decades. Let's break down the practical aspects. The 10-quart pot measures approximately 15.5 inches in diameter and stands 7.5 inches tall. It weighs around 5 pounds. These dimensions give you a good sense of its footprint on your stovetop and its heft. The included tempered glass lid allows you to easily monitor your cooking progress without losing heat or moisture. The stay-cool handles are designed to remain comfortable to the touch, even when the pot is hot, which is a welcome ergonomic feature. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the hybrid technology combining searing capability with non-stick ease is a major win. The superior heat distribution from the tri-ply construction is excellent for consistent cooking. Its immense versatility, from simmering to deep frying and oven use, makes it a true kitchen multitasker. The durability and the lifetime warranty offer fantastic long-term value and peace of mind. And of course, the dishwasher-friendly nature simplifies cleanup. However, there are a few cons to consider. The 900-degree Fahrenheit oven-safe rating is impressive, but the included tempered glass lid caps out at 400 degrees. If you plan on utilizing the full oven potential, you might need to consider purchasing a separate stainless steel lid. The weight, at 5 pounds, is substantial, and while this contributes to its sturdy feel, it might be a bit heavy for some users to maneuver when full. Finally, HexClad cookware tends to be an investment. While the quality is evident, the price point reflects that premium positioning. In conclusion, the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-Quart Stockpot is a seriously capable piece of cookware. It's engineered for performance, designed for convenience, and built to last. If you're a home cook who values versatility, durability, and a good balance between searing power and easy cleanup, this stockpot is definitely worth considering. It can handle a wide array of tasks and elevate your cooking experience. Link in the description.